In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and remove saved addresses, payment methods, and passwords in the Brave browser. If you've ever had outdated addresses, old cards, or logins you no longer use popping up when you browse, this quick cleanup will make Brave feel faster, safer, and more organized. We'll keep it simple and stick to what you need. Start by opening Brave on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the window for the three dots, which open the main menu. Click that, then choose Settings. This is where Brave keeps all the tools that control how your browser stores information and fills forms for you. Once you're in Settings, find the section labeled Autofill. Depending on your version, it may be called Autofill and Passwords. This area is dedicated to the information Brave can store and suggest for you as you browse. Addresses for forms, payment methods for checkouts, and passwords for sign-ins. Let's begin with addresses and more. Click it to see a list of saved addresses and contact details. You'll likely recognize entries from shipping forms or account setups. To remove something you no longer need, find the entry and look for an options icon, usually three dots, next to it. Click it and select Remove. Brave may ask you to confirm. Go ahead and accept. Take a moment to scan your list and remove anything that's outdated or duplicated. Keeping only current details helps autofill work smoothly and avoids mistakes. Next, go back and open payment methods. Here you'll see saved cards, often shown by the last few digits and the card type. Removing a card follows the same approach. Use the options next to the card and choose Remove. This is especially helpful if a card has expired or if you've changed banks. Remember, once a card is removed, Brave won't offer it at checkout, so make sure the card is truly no longer needed. Finally, open passwords. This section lists sites where Brave has saved your login details. Removing a password is just as straightforward. Click the options next to an entry and delete it. Be careful here. Once you delete a saved password, Brave won't autofill it anymore, so only remove logins you're sure you won't need or already have stored somewhere safe. When you're done, you can simply close the Settings tab. Your changes take effect immediately. Repeat these checks from time to time to keep Brave tidy and your browsing experience secure and hassle-free.